Next, move on to polymorphism. Polymorphism means, imagine offering discounts during checkout. Some products have a fixed amount, others vary. So, polymorphism allows us to handle these scenarios flexibly. Like polymorphism means one entity behaving in multiple ways. Like single method can perform different behavior while using the object.
Okay. And this is just a glimpse. To drive deeper and master Java, Spring Boot, REST APIs, and real-time microservices, check out my full Udemy course with a lifetime access. The link is in the description. Enroll now and start building real Java projects today. Let's move on to this video.
Okay, it is categorized as two types. One is compile time polymorphism. The another name is method overloading. Compile time polymorphism means it has the same method name, different parameters. So different parameters means that number of parameters we can pass it different, and types of parameters we can have the different one. That's it. And the next one is runtime polymorphism. Another name is method overriding. Subclass provides the specific implementation. Okay, runtime polymorphism, it should be the parent and subclasses. It should be the different classes and having the same method signature. Okay, it should not be different. Okay, the same method is in both parent and subclass. That is called runtime polymorphism. So it is for a specific implementation. Let's see the example. As I told you before, we are having the discount class. Inside the discount class, I am having the method calculate discount and it returning the discount percentage. And another method, I am having the same method name calculate discount, but it had two parameters. One is price, another one is rate. So it returning that price percentage with this calculation, price int rate. So here what we are having same method name but different parameters, different number of parameters, right? So this is the concept of overloading. Then next see the overriding example. Here I am having the class product and inside that I am having the method show details of, and one more class is there. That class extends this product class, and inside that I am implementing this show details of method. So what it happened, it does not print the general product, it only print the electronic product while calling using this electronic object. So what happening, it's overriding the first method, right? So that's why it's called overriding. Runtime polymorphism. So polymorphism improves code flexibility and allows dynamic method binding at runtime. So if interviewer asks how do you perform the dynamic method binding, means you can implement the runtime polymorphism for that, like this.
Drop a Java in the comments if you are excited to start, and let me know what Java topics you want me to cover next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this helped you, and tag your friends who is preparing for Java interviews. Thanks for watching.